If you are looking for barbells that IPF approved, IWF, we have here at TheRack.co, and we are carrying here, only here in the Philippines, the Eleiko. So, ito yung mga barbell na meron kami. All of these are Eleiko. Merong 20 kg, 25 kg. So, ayan. Ayan lahat. Ito, Eleiko din ito. Ayan. And also sa pinakababa is rep. Meron din kaming kinikerring rep here in the Rack.co. So, as you can see here, each barbell, meron mga knurling. Ayan. Napaka-detailed talaga nung knurling para sobrang grip pag binubuhat mo na yung barbells. And especially if you are competing, mas masarap siyang hawakan, mas grippy. So, yeah. That's it. Located ito sa TheRack.co, Buhat-Buhat Basement. Dito sa Mandaluyong, Pioneer